see that is there, so I was playing with my little pillow. Forget that. Because my name is Rahman Kapoor, and today we're going to be unboxing my new toy. It's called the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo. Alright, first of all, this is a little story. This is actually my third 3D printer. Just long story short, my other two, they just had a rough years. That's all I'll say. So this time, hopefully, third time's the charm. Yes, this is my third one. So we got the Neo. My first print was actually Ender 3, then Ender 3 V2, now Ender 3 Neo. One step further. So, as you can see, the box is really cool.
Let's go open.
Ender. It has a fragile on it, but let's open it. Remember, parental supervision. Be careful with sharp objects. These back. Never mind that. That never happened. And let's get started.
It's almost assembled.
Yeah, all you have to do is just screw the top to the bottom, the filament spool, and attach the string and the wiring. Compared to other printers, it is much easier. Ta-da! As you can see, here's the top part, the filament head. Here's our screen, very nice. Instruction manual. Supplies. It comes with a USB input and a HDMI card for the printer itself. Some screws, some extra filament, some tweezers, spool, and some other goodies we'll see later. Spatula. I don't really recommend using this on this printer because it has a flexible plate, so it can just pop off easily.
Okay.
The wire. Now there's a screen. I'm just going to put this aside like this, and there's a filament wood here, and this is already assembled as well. Now put this aside safely. Here's the printer bed and head. It's much softer and smoother compared to my last two. My first one was a clipped textured bed, and my second one was glass. This was much smoother.
Okay.
Here's the printer head. Here's the auto leveling kit, aka the CR Touch. Now, one of the reasons we bought this printer is it was always a hassle to level the bed. Well, it can do it itself now.
Let's go assemble it.
Yep. See you guys later. And in 3, 2, 1, it'll be assembled. 1, 2, 3. And we're back with a little editing magic. And here you go. As you see, the printer is assembled. Since we've assembled a bunch of other printers, it was fairly easy. All we have to do is add the screen, the filament spool holder, and just screw in these two bars. That's it.
Okay, let's give it a close look.
Yeah. As you can see, it has a CR Touch, aka auto leveling.
We can install like within 10 minutes.
10-15 minutes.
Yeah, it's take just 10-15 minutes.
Fairly easy.
Yeah. Okay.
So you know what? Let's do the rip. And on the screen it says print, prepare, control, and leveling. So, and now I'm just gonna put it on leveling. Show you. As you can see, it's moving up. It's auto moving. Now the light is turned blue. Slowly going down.
I get from the Amazon.
Yeah, from the official Creality.
Yeah.
And it is quite cool. the thing I love about 3D printers as well, you can 3D print anything from your imagination. You can have a dream.
Which software you can use to print?
So here's what I use as my thing to just make stuff. I use Fusion 360 or Tinkercad.
Which one is easy?
For beginners, definitely Tinkercad.
So it's easy to.
Much easier for children.
Is there any subscription for this?
No, but 360 is Fusion 360 will need a subscription, but it's much more advanced. As you see, the pin is auto leveling everything. If you watch other YouTube videos about the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo, they will say to manually level the bed once.
Okay.
But if you look at the manual, they say to auto level it just out of the box. So I feel like we should go with what they said.
Yeah, we try a lot of 3D printers.
That's why this is our third time's charm.
Yeah.
And
We have very good experience with the 3D printers.
Yeah. Like right now my heart's beating because I'm nervous. I just love the printer, especially the bed. Last 3D printer, my bed was a mess. I had to clean it every single time. The filament wasn't sticking, so I had to use some sort of.
Why it's not sticking? Main reason for the bed is not in leveling.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons.
Yeah.
Definitely. You need to stick try to put like glue, stuff like that. And by the way, you can put a little bit of glue stick on 3D printers.
But it's
the cleanup is a little annoying. That's all.
So instead
I feel like I prefer these beds because this one is magnetic, so it can pop off easily. Unlike the other Ender 3s, we have clips on them.
Okay.
So you can just pop this off magnetic, and it's very flexible. So pop it off, bend, you got yourself a nice one.
Oh, no, that's nice.
One thing I'm looking for is a nice bottom. Hold on, let me show you what I mean. If you look, all these on my previous prints, look at the bottom.
What is this? What do you make?
A dog. Don't mind the orange.
Okay.
If you look here, the bottom isn't that clean. So one thing I'm looking for is definitely a nice, clean, plain bed.
Okay.
And one more thing that I wanted to say. To make stuff, I use Tinkercad or Fusion 360. But as my slicer, I use Ultimator Cura.
Okay.
It doesn't have the Ender 3 V2 or Ender 3 V2, Ender 3 V2 Neo settings, but I've read a bunch of videos and stuff, and they just say if you can go with the basic Ender 3 Creality, and that works fine. And as you can see, it's done. It's finished, and the bed is leveled.
Oh, that's cool. That's good. Easy to level.
So
Let's
now,
put the filament.
We're gonna put some filament in, and we'll be right back.
Okay.
And guys, so as you can see, we added the filament. It was a little bit of a struggle, but we got it. And now, let's add the STM line. Oops. Here's the trick.
Okay. So you give the option
Yeah,
for Catty.
Nope.
Okay. Go option, give the cat.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. So let's go.
Should start printing. Let's just try to heat up to the temperatures. So once the bed gets to 60, the nozzles run go up to raising 200.
Okay. So it's gonna work on that time.
Yep, that is to start printing.
Okay.
See you then. So guys, our print and the caddy is done. It rotated on 1 hour 7 minutes, and as you can see, it printed without a bottom.
Nice.
There's very a few stringing if you look on the ears, and the one thing I definitely have noticed, look, this and then this, it just got blurred up by something, but you can see it underneath. Possibly if I remove this maybe, or there's like muffled over here, but there's not much stringing and stuff like that. So I feel like I would give this printer about, based off quality, 6, 7, 7.5 would be definitely reasonable. Maybe if I tune the settings, that would help. But overall, I totally recommend. It's a great thing for kids and adults, and it can make anything you want. So that's why I recommend you should get the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo. Best of all, it has very minimal setup and it levels for yourself. So guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that comment button, hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.